بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate.
والسماء ذات البروج.
By the heaven with its impregnable castles.
واليوم الموعود.
By the promised day.
وشاهد ومشهود.
And by the witness and what is witnessed.
قتل أصحاب الأخدود.
The people of the pit were destroyed.
النار ذات الوقود.
With fire abounding in fuel.
إذ هم عليها قعود.
While they sat around it.
وهم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود.
And were witnessing what they did to the believers.
وما نقموا منهم إلا أن يؤمنوا بالله العزيز الحميد.
Against these they had no grudge except that they believed in Allah, the most mighty, the most praiseworthy.
الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد.
To whom belongs the dominion of the heavens and the earth. Allah witnesses everything.
إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات ثم لم يتوبوا فلهم عذاب جهنم ولهم عذاب الحريق.
Surely those who tormented the believing men and the believing women and then did not repent, theirs shall be the chastisement of hell, and theirs shall be the chastisement of burning.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات لهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار ذلك الفوز الكبير.
As for those who believed and acted righteously, theirs shall be gardens beneath which rivers flow. That is the great triumph.
إن بطش ربك لشديد.
Stern indeed is your Lord's punishment.
إنه هو يبدئ ويعيد.
He it is who creates for the first time, and He it is who will create again.
وهو الغفور الودود.
And He is the ever-forgiving, the most loving.
ذو العرش المجيد.
The Lord of the glorious throne.
فعال لما يريد.
The executor of what He wills.
هل أتاك حديث الجنود.
Has the story of the armies reached you?
فرعون وثمود.
The armies of Pharaoh and Thamud.
بل الذين كفروا في تكذيب.
The unbelievers are indeed engaged in denying it, calling it a lie.
والله من ورائهم محيط.
Although Allah surrounds them.
بل هو قرآن مجيد.
Nay, but this is a glorious Quran.
في لوح محفوظ.
inscribed on a well-guarded tablet.